Okay, this is actually the third time I've made this video now because I keep messing up. So what I want to get back to is excuse the abrupt ending on that first one, but what's happening here now should be the way to go. I made a new page for San Diego, and excuse me, a new header for San Diego. And when you go in here with Elementor or Page Builder to build the header for that, section on top has size cover, position custom, and with the percent slider, you can bring this up and down to center your content if you want something in particular in view. We also have background overlay on here because this image is stark black and white, and I've got just black text up here, so I put a white overlay over the background image. I'm going to make a second nav essentially that is going to, why does Home do that? It's going to be white on a dark background, so that'll show up better, and that is going to work. So which one? I guess I'm just going to update that and get back out. But we're going to go through this from the top. If you go into Pages and All Pages, you'll see that I made San Diego. I already had that, but I got San Diego 2 and San Diego 3 now. We're not going to edit the page. We're actually just going to make new heroes. So we're going to go to Theme Builder. We're going to go to Header, and we've got San Diego 2 as a draft. I'm going to jump in here, and what we want is this. This is how we're going to start. It's just going to be nothing. It's going to show the top bar, but we're going to be getting rid of that with some custom CSS because that is, I think, excessive. We're not going to need this. I don't think they wanted that on all the pages anyways. So we're gonna get that out of there. But anyways, we've got that one works, and then I believe we also had Los Angeles. Let's check our work. And there's Los Angeles, great. And we'll go to San Diego, and I did San Diego in a previous one. That was that example, but now we're going to do San Diego 2. Go to San Diego 2. We have a sample header. Interesting. Interesting. We're going to fix that right now. Okay, so we're in the San Diego 2 header, and with my Add a Template option, we're going to go into my templates, and we're going to go to nav section. And see, this is a section as compared to sticking in an entire header. San Diego 2 is a header, but if we put the San Diego 1 header in there, it's going to inherit all that stuff, and we don't want that. We want just the section inserted, and the section is just this. It's section, 2 columns. The first column is the DMG logo. The second column is the nav menu. But we aren't even editing those. We're only editing the section on top with our style function. It's already set up to full width and no gap, so we're good there. I also brought that in with this ID and this class and this padding on the bottom for laptop, a little bit less on tablet, and even less on mobile. Anyways, section, style, background. For our image, we're going to select another sample image I brought in. It's a large building, insert media. So there you go. And again, we're going to go size, we're going to go cover, and then position, we're going to give it custom. And with percent, we're going to put it on the page how we want it. So we're going to put these guys right about there. Now, when we go down to the tablet is inheriting the image from laptop. So we don't need to do anything here if we don't want to. I would suggest at least making sure that we've set this to cover. we're going to go down to mobile now, and now we do want to use this image because it's not as big size-wise. So insert that media, and that should be good to go. We're going to go into, and then again, set this to cover, position. We can move it around a little bit. We can go center top, center. We can also do custom on that, and again, custom, go to percent and just bring this up. And I like how it's just giant pit, so we're going to do that. Okay, under our save options now, display conditions, we're going to add a condition. We're going to say on a singular, which is just a page, or single anything, but single page, and then this is going to be San Diego 2. Uh-oh. Save and close. Let's go see who is also trying to run San Diego 2. So we have 2 San Diego 2 headers. Interesting. I'll trash this one. So San Diego 2 is that one instance published 3 minutes ago. San Diego 2. And now it's back to this thing. So what page is this? Page ID 537. So this is going to be $537. San Diego 2. So $537. Top bar. So now that should be working. Page ID 537. And go and send that up. Not showing that, which is good. And also removed all of our work that we just did. But I'm going to go and grab this guy now. Size, cover, center. I'm going to do this. We don't need to. I'm going to do this here. Go, insert media. And this is also going to be cover. But I'm going to say go to cover on that, update that, and look at it. There's our favela on San Diego. So that one probably got goofed up because we had 2 versions of that going. Let's see, hold on a second here. Okay, this is going to work this time. Theme builder. We're going to header. We're going to add new. We're adding a new header. We're going to call this San Diego 3. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add a template. And of the templates, it's going to be nav section, which is a section. Insert. Yes. This section is already formatted with the exception of having background images. Background image, metal roof. I'm going to set it to cover. I'm going to set my position as custom, percent, and bring that, actually, no, I don't want to bring it up. It's good like that. We're going to go to tablet size, cover, center, why not? And for mobile, we need to add a specifically different image. Insert media. I didn't give it alt text. And set it to cover and center. Okay, now go over here, display conditions, add a condition, set it on singular, and set it on a page, and the page is going to be San Diego 3. Save and close. Okay, now we go over here, and this is where it's going to fail. Refresh that. We're on San Diego 2. I'm going to go ahead and pop open San Diego 3, and sure enough, why it did that is because we need to do this 542. Actually, let's do that. So 542. I'm going to send my file to the server. Upload, there it goes. And we'll go back to this page. No header and no background image. Site header. What's inside of the header? It's div. And inside of there is this. And inside of there is this. And this has no background image, which is insane. San Diego 3. I just don't get why it's not saving that our background image when we're making these templates. It's driving me crazy. Cover, bottom center. So apparently we need to do the work twice for some reason. That is aggravating. But there, it's working. You can see that in there, and then San Diego 2. That one there. at a time.